Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to buy using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet makes it easy to purchase and start using cryptocurrencies directly from your mobile device or desktop. We will walk through each step on how to buy TRX safely. Now, let's get started. On your browser, if you already have the Trust Wallet installed, you just need to click on the extension. This will open up the Trust Wallet extension. From here, find TRX or Tron. Once you find it, click on it, and then click Buy. You will be able to see how much you're going to buy and how it will be converted. For example, 100 USD will be converted to 333 TRX. Next, select the payment method you want to use. Once you pick your payment method, click it, go back, and then click Continue. Now you will need to verify your payment. Once verified, you will receive a verification code. After you enter your verification code, your TRX will be added to your Trust Wallet. You have successfully learned how to buy Tron TRX on Trust Wallet. Now you can manage and store your crypto securely in your wallet.